Investing in an inexpensive, sensible way to change the business presence of custom shopping bags can make the job a long way. Typically, the plastic bag is recycled 10 times, which means that is 10 opportunities for you to support the job. Make customized biodegradable plastic bags for the job that are true to attract customers. A simple, thought-out bag may think you draw people who find others carrying the purse on the streets. The benefit and inquisition into the brand may be the easy answer you need to make people to acknowledge the job. This plastic can do this branding for you, as long as you get it evident. Solid shopping bags, carrier bags, or plastic grocery bags represent the form of plastic bag used as buying bags and made from different varieties of plastic. Being used by consumers worldwide since the 1960s, these bags are sometimes called single-use bags, relating to transporting items from the shop to the house. Still, reuse for memory or waste is common, and contemporary plastic shopping bags are increasingly reusable or biodegradable. In recent decades, many nations have introduced legislation limiting the sale of plastic bags in the attempt to decrease littering and plastic contamination. American and European document applications pertaining to the manufacture of solid buying bags may be seen dating back to the early decades, but these relate to composite buildings with handles limited to the bag in a secondary manufacturing process. Burlap, which is powerful, cheap and reusable, is used to create trendy shopping bags that create the eco-friendly replacement for plastic shopping bags. Burlap has become a fashion clothing item and is accustomed to create handbags to match the person's dress. These bags are available in light colors, designs and sizes. Women's handbags, party bags and shoe bags are trendy accessories made from burlap. Likewise, packing plays a huge part in buying, too. If you have the job, you could see the value of a striking shopping bag that will make the customers happy. This is why you will purchase creatively designed wholesale shopping bags that get in plethora of forms, colors and sizes, example, animal photo bags, light-colored tote bags, purse tote bags, boutique bags, plastic bags, gusseted string handbags, etc. These will be applied for all sorts of products, and this introduction can make the customers return to you for more. Because of this help of recyclable buying bags by governments and supermarkets, reusable shopping bags have become one of these current trends. The clothing industry also led to making it common to take stylish reusable shopping bags instead of liquid plastic bags. At 2007, British architect Anya Hindmarch's $15 I'm Not a Solid bag sold out at one time and fetched $800 on the internet. Options to plastic liquid buying bags allow the usage of material bags, which final years before they break apart or force shop owners to pay clients for paper bags if they don't bring their own shopping bags. If these paper bags are made from 100% recycled material, so trees are not dropped down to give these paper bags. For the incentive to customers who have their own bags, stores would give customers a raffle ticket for the chance to get the shop gift card. It makes more sense to reuse shopping bags for waste and take recyclable bags when browsing when we don't want more for different uses. Purchasing plastic bags for waste is what should be censored. If people use these buying bags for their garbage, they can get fewer bags for the purpose. Plastic is terrible, but people are not starting to have reusable garbage bags, and curbside garbage service takes that are waste take in bags anyway. More like buying bags available in grocery store chains, cloth shopping bags serve the similar purpose. Materials used for buying bags range from artificial textiles and recycled materials to fabric and cloth. With this emphasis on environmental welfare, some designers are bringing reusable fabric totes, created from recycled or sustainable materials, to their style collection. After shopping for groceries, give a personal statement about the health of the healthier situation by using the recycle shopping bag versus plastic bags. Likely the greatest start to restrict our usage of plastic is to stop using plastic bags when buying. When you consider it, those plastic bags either turn out under the sink to be applied as waste bags or simply go discarded into the waste, which is likely also a plastic bag. Instead of using the plastic bag when purchasing, choose for the paper bag which will be properly reused. Better still, purchase or give yourself a useful bag that's suited for all the shopping needs.